Hey, beautiful people. Today we'll be learning beauty blender mistakes or beauty sponge mistake, anyone you call it, and how to correct them. If you're a beginner, this video will benefit you a lot. So without wasting much of our time, let's just dive straight into the video. So guys, I'll be starting off with the don't part, right? So don't go in with a dry beauty blender or wet beauty blender. No. Okay. Secondly, don't apply product directly on the sponge before blending, right? Going in directly with a clean beauty blender to blend out your products is a no-no. Okay. Don't apply too much pressure when blending your product, and don't blend aggressively. Because please don't drag the sponge when blending. Instead, do this. Always take out excess water with a paper towel, okay, to give a damp beauty sponge before blending your foundation. Always apply product the back of your hands to warm up before blending, right? Something like this before blending. Always marry your beauty blender with a reasonable amount of product to give you a seamless blend, right? For seamless look, use a light hand for dabbing the product into the skin, right? And see how it's looking. Don't drag it. And that is that for that. I hope you found this video very, very helpful. Don't forget to watch my other videos. Subscribe, like, comment, share to your loved ones, support your girl, okay? And comment what you want to see next. Right, so bye. See you guys in my next video. Kisses.